How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can clip Fortnite with Metal TV. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up the application, and then you want to set everything up from your quality. Now you can just head over to the settings itself and do it manually. And if you want to set it quickly, you will be able to do that on the top right here. So the most important thing is to just set your clip hotkey. Basically, if you press this button, it will then initiate the clip. And then you also have your clip duration. After setting everything up, you then want to open up your Fortnite. Now in this example, we are going to use Counter-Strike 2, but generally it's going to be the same for every application. Now, if the Fortnite didn't automatically get detected, we can then press on the add game button, but generally the application will automatically be detected after opening them up. And then on this page, you will be able to see all of your opened programs. So once again, just make sure that your Fortnite is opened, click on Fortnite, and you will be able to clip it that way. So just head over to the Fortnite itself, make your highlight, and then you could press the hotkey, and then you will be able to see that inside your Metal TV library. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.